Hello everyone, and welcome to the Car Crash channel. The Audi Q6 e-tron combines luxury and innovation, but how does it hold up in crash tests? Let's find out just how safe this electric SUV is. The Audi Q6 e-tron starts strong with the frontal offset test. Its passenger compartment remains stable throughout, scoring full points for protecting all critical body areas, including the head, chest, and abdomen. The full-width rigid barrier test yielded equally positive results, with the Q6 e-tron showing good or adequate protection for both driver and rear passenger. In the side barrier test, the Audi Q6 e-tron scored maximum points, with good protection for all body areas. Even in the more severe side pole impact test, protection remains solid, ensuring passengers are well protected in dangerous side collisions. The Q6 e-tron is equipped with a countermeasure to mitigate occupant-to-occupant injuries. During testing, this system performed exceptionally well, particularly in protecting the heads of both front seat occupants during a far side impact. Like its competitors, the Q6 e-tron is equipped with an advanced e-call system, which quickly alerts emergency services in case of a crash, and its design ensures the doors and windows are openable in case of vehicle submergence. With maximum points in side impact tests and top-notch technology for occupant safety, the Audi Q6 e-tron proves itself as a leader in safety. If you're looking for an electric SUV that doesn't compromise on protection, the Q6 e-tron should definitely be on your radar. Stay tuned to our channel for more updates on the latest crash test results, and let us know your thoughts on our video in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep up with the automotive safety.